Today I'm gonna be playing with my friend Eric.
What up?
Okay, I used to take a long time for you, and we're gonna play Roblox Bloxburg. Are you in Bloxburg? I mean, Mad City.
No problem, Bloxburg.
It only shows that Dylan's online.
Wow.
Okay, let's just join my server on Mad City. Well, I'm just gonna. Yeah, Mad City. We're gonna play Mad City.
Fine.
Yeah. Plus, you like Mad City.
Yes, I don't love it that much. I have lunch.
I have 9,000 something dollars. Look, guys, I'm not lying. I have 9,000 something. I think I have 10,000 or 9,000. I don't know. Be a prisoner, prisoner, prisoner. Be a prisoner. I'm down. I'm down here. Remember, do you know where the jail cell is?
Is this you?
I don't know where
Did
you are.
join me?
No, I thought you were gonna join me.
Oh, okay. So just wait.
You join me. I'm gonna meet me outside, okay?
Dude, it says you're not my friend. I do not know why. Maybe erase you.
Okay, let me add you. Guys, I don't know what happened. Literally. Bro, I don't know what the hell just happened, but like. Okay, what's your username again?
Is the video still on?
Yep. Bro, I swear to God, if your little brother comes in, I swear.
Shit.
Bro. Okay, what's your username again? Guys, he's gonna say his username and it's gonna be a bad username, but like we don't care.
E-R-I.
Wait, E-R-I E T 0 A
That's it.
players. Wait, tell me your username again. E
R
R
I
I
E
E
C
C
I O
08, right?
Yeah.
Okay, send you a friend request. And can you stop being like Emma?
Emma does not have the same clothes as me.
I know, but like I have the same mask. And yesterday, guys, when I was playing boxing with my cousin Emma, Eric dressed up like Emma's character. So and then I hit Emma by accident, and then I took away so much health. Cause like I'm strong in boxing. Eric, did you get it?
Yeah, dude.
Okay, let's go. Okay, can you join me?
Yeah, boy.
Come on, boy. Get off me. You're on me, get off me. Get off me. You're on me, get off me. Bruh. I like the music for Mad City. Be a prisoner, we're gonna have to escape hard. Like try hard. Ew, I'm pooping.
What up, bro?
What up, bro?
Oh, get those boxes. Leave them.
Where we landing at? Where we landing at? Emma, Eric, follow me.
What do you have? Tell me what you have.
I don't know what I have. I have nothing.
I know. I'm on level 3. Now
Where we landing at? Where we landing?
we're not playing Fortnite right now,
I
okay?
know. I know. And plus,
Huh?
do you have a hammer?
Yeah, but
Wait, do you have a hammer?
through
Ew, you got something through the toilet? Disgusting.
there's 2 on it.
Ooh, you didn't touch this box right here. I mean, this crate.
Exactly, got it.
Nothing. Stone! I found stone.
Okay, stone sucks, okay?
What do you use stone for? Guys, I don't know. I'm a noob in Mad City. Even though I have a lot of cash right there, I still suck. Eric, Eric, I'm gonna scratch my B-U-T-T. Ready? Look. Eric, look at me. I'm gonna scratch my B-U-T-T. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
I scratched my
Kenny, come
B-U-T-T.
here, boy.
Come on, boy! Oh my god. Eric, follow me! Eric, follow me! Look, Eric! Look, I made a hammer! Now we can break out! Now we can break out! Look, guys, I never, then this, it, I, we could have used the hammer this whole entire time. Guys, I don't know how to play Mad City that much. Like, help. Bruh. Look, do you see that white thing over there, guys? That's where we have to go. I have the hammer. You don't. You don't have the hammer, I do. I know, it took such a long time. I know. Guys, Eric, do you want to go with my boat or no? Okay, but mine is the default boat. It's like, I'm glad.
Wow.
Eric, hide. Cause there's cops. Wait, that's your car? It's a good car. Eric, you almost left without me. Let's go.
I have 4 cars in this.
See you later, poopers. I suck at driving, so like I'm glad you're playing with me. Guys, I suck at driving. I'm not lying, I suck. Let's go to the bank. Mad City. Oof. The name of the game is the name of the thing. Eric, we need to go to the bank. See you later, poopers.
You have more cars than this.
I know, but like I have $9,875.
That's not funny. Not more. So, yeah.
Like, don't brag, guys. He's gonna brag. I don't want him to brag. Wait. Oh, what?
Please don't die on this one.
Bro, this one's easy. Oh, I just said it's
bro.
easy.
How the heck did I die?
Because you touched the lasers.
To tell me when I pick you up, okay? Ooh, what the heck?
Let's just say I'm almost done.
What?
Wait, I need to get this quick.
Oh boy. You have a million?
Take cover!
What the heck are you laughing at? You know, if you come to the criminal base, you gotta go to the dash.
Okay, Eric, do you hear it? Guys, I'm getting the jackpot right now.
Frick.
I just got the jackpot right now.
Bruh, guess what?
Eric, guys, look. Guys, you already see it, but like, look at this.
Yeah, but guess what?
What? You dead? I know you died. Guys, he died because, like, he sort of
No,
sucks.
I'm in jail because this freaking superhero was in a freaking criminal base. I don't know how he did that.
I got $3,000, so I have 14 something dollars.
I have more than that, dude.
Guys, I can't believe we did this. I'm a criminal. Big fat criminal. Robbed the bank, got $3,000. Eric, I need to escape. Meet me, I guess at the end? I don't know. Cause like, I am an escaping boy.
Wait, where are you? Where are you?
Remember where we hacked Eric? I'm outside of the bank.
Holy crap, I'm dead, I'm prison, bro.
Bro, should I reset my character? Cause like, I am glad I got $3,000. This is superhero.
This guy doesn't have.
I'm on the back of the. I'm on.
Open the freaking door!
Eric, can you believe me that I just got the jackpot?
What the frick is a jackpot?
You guys, you need to tell Eric what's the jackpot.
Oh! Oh no, Emma's calling.
Wait, can I have her call me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait.
But guys, I need to. Okay, is it fine? I guess so. I don't know.
Please don't.
Guys, we have to end the video here.
Man, come on.
Bro, we need to end the video. Literally.
Got you.
They're tired of me getting too much money.
You don't even have them. How many subscribers?
3.
That's
But
not even that you have like $3.
okay. Can I switch to Emma? Cause I kept on FaceTiming her. So yeah, it's fine. You're my backup person. If Emma doesn't answer me, then I'm gonna FaceTime you. Okay, so I'm gonna switch to Emma. Bye. Guys, we're gonna end the